Hello, this is Dr. Liu at LeTime. Today, let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries thanks to its benefits on the anti-inflammation, antibacterial, and research proves it's also helpful to build a strong heart and cardiology health. And the reason behind the turmeric is its composition. The phyto composition has two general groups. One is its essential oil. I talk about the turmeric to make its hydrosol and essential oil in my last video. You can watch that one if you want to make your own the turmeric hydrosol and even essential oil. The other group of the phytochemical is called curcumin. Curcumin has the pharmacological benefits of anti-inflammation and antibacterial. And this makes it a perfect use for the skincare or hair care to treat the acne, and anti-aging, make the skin glowing. But we need to use curcumin in the right way. Curcumin is not water soluble, it's hydrophobic. That means it only dissolves in the oil or the alcohol. You can add the turmeric in the water to make a tea, but our body cannot absorb the curcumin as effective as if it's in the infused oil or tincture form. In this video, I will demonstrate you how to make a turmeric infused oil and a tincture. And at the end of the video, I will show you two recipes to use the infused oil and the tincture for skincare. Today, I'm gonna make two different infusions from turmeric. One is tincture by using vodka, and the other is infused oil. This using the extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the purest olive oil without any additional treatment. It contains the most of the nutrients, including the vitamins from the olive and antioxidants. And the container, I'm using a small container. You can use larger ones. This is about 3.5 ounce, around 100 milliliter. And you're gonna need the glass, sealed mason jars. One is for the tincture and the other is for the infused oil. And we also need alcohol to sanitize. So before we start it, just clean the lid. And also the bottom. So of course you want to have clean hands before you start it, or you can wear a glove. Because I'm using the new bottles, so it's pretty easy. If you reuse, you want to have a deep cleaning, like using the soap, wash it, and then you sanitize it. That's okay. So the ratio we talk about is 1 part of turmeric powder and 3 parts of the vodka or olive oil. I have a book talk about how to make the tincture from different herbs, including what part of the herbs you want to use. Today use the turmeric, so we're using its root. And I bought this, is already powdered, so it's already grounded into powder. If you use the fresh ones, so you can cut it in small pieces. Smaller is better, especially for the infusion, making. But you can always buy like a dry powder. Add the powder first to a quarter of the bottle. Now the first one, I gotta add vodka. Give a little time so let the bubble come up. Those are the air sit between those powders. So have the alcohol sipping and make all the powders touch with the alcohol. Or you can use a spoon, just stir it. It's also good, just make faster. The second bottle is for the infused oil. It's a good idea to add a teaspoon of alcohol before we add the oil. So just let them mix. Same thing, just stir it, make it mix well with the powders. For the infusion or tincture making, you can either just leave in the room temperature for 6 weeks to 8 weeks. That's the time you're gonna need for the good extraction. Or you can use ADI, just taking you 6 hours to finish the extraction. And it's pretty simple. Just take the bowl and then put the infusion in there and add water in this. Okay, the infusion is ready. So open it. See, still hot. Okay, this is the oil, and this is the tincture. You can see in the tincture, the turmeric become bigger, but the oil is turmeric doesn't go as much as that in the alcohol. The first one, I want to make a face glowing anti-aging massage oil with the turmeric oil. Open it. Let's see. Smells good. And so besides the turmeric infused oil, we also need the rosehip oil and vitamin E. That's the 3 ingredients. It's a 1-to-1 ratio between the rosehip oil and the infused oil and a few drops of the vitamin E. You can use a little beaker or container, mix everything together, and then adding a dropper bottle. I would just add it directly into the dropper bottle. But you're gonna need a good funnel. Okay, so the first I will take the turmeric infused oil. This is a tablespoon. One tablespoon. need a tablespoon rosehip oil. Rosehip oil has a lot of antioxidants. That's a perfect to keep our skin, younger looking. Now the vitamin E. There's 2 drops of vitamin E. Vitamin E also keep our skin younger looking, and also it help keep the oil, in good quality for longer time. It's kind of like a natural preservative. It's actually the antioxidants, so prevent the oil to be oxidized and go rancid. Just shake well, and then just use it, in the morning and at night. Enjoy the benefits of the turmeric and other ingredients in the oil. The second one, I'm gonna make a face toner. I will use a fresh made witch hazel hydrosol. If you want to know how to make this hydrosol, you can watch the video. I have video explaining the step-by-step making the witch hazel hydrosol. So the ratio is, I will have 40 milliliter. It's about 1 ounce. The witch hazel hydrosol, and 1 milliliter of turmeric tincture. So it's about 30 drops. Thank you for watching. If you feel it's helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Liu. See you next time.